Hey guys, what's up? So I was actually at my desk today working on a different video project for you guys when I got an announcement, a press release from Universal. So I stopped everything, dropped everything, came over here so I could share that announcement as soon as possible. But you know what? We're gonna do that and a lot more coming up next. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. So today, Universal actually announced a new original content Halloween Horror Nights house. Let's check out the details. So today, Universal actually revealed that Depths of Fear is the second original content haunted house coming to Halloween Horror Nights in 2019. In this all-new original story, created by the twisted minds of Universal's entertainment team, guests will be transported to a deep-sea mining company that has been infested by the parasitic mouth brooders. These mouth brooders will spew their acidic flesh-eating eggs upon unsuspecting humans, turning them into crazed hosts. As the infected are driven to madness, guests will try to escape, but as the pressure begins to build, implosions await. Will they make it out alive or fall deep into their watery graves? Well, there you go, a water-related house. Universal always seems to have something water-related with these haunted mazes. Now this one I think is the fourth confirmed house, the second original content house that they have announced. Here's the rundown of what we know so far. So in addition to the Depths of Fear, which they just announced, they had previously announced the original house known as Nightingale's Blood Pit. And then the other two houses they have announced are intellectual property houses, IP houses, and that's going to be Stranger Things, which will focus on seasons 2 and 3, and then Universal Monsters, the classic monsters. So we've got 6 more to go. I can't wait to find out what they are. And you know what, guys, this information that I received today was not on any of my insider list. So it's all new for me today, but you know what? I love surprises. So as we walk over to Islands of Adventure, because I want to check out the Jurassic Park roller coaster and maybe Hagrid's too, I want to remind you that Halloween Horror Nights, it runs this year from September 6th to November 2nd. And they're also having a special where you buy one Halloween Horror Nights, you get a second ticket or a second night for free. And that's actually running from now until June 5th. They have this vacation package. You buy the one night for Halloween Horror Nights and you get the second night of Halloween Horror Nights for free. I will leave links in the description so you can get more information on that. But there will be 10 haunted houses this year, 10 haunted mazes, and 5 scare zones, which is pretty typical. It's usually a 10 and 5 split between the haunted houses and the scare zones. So no, I don't think we're going to see anything new over at Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure. I mean, we are just weeks away from that being done. They're pretty much completed with that. Maybe some final touches, and I'm going to do my best to try to get a preview of that ride as soon as possible. Yeah, I think at the date of this video, we're like 3.5, maybe 4 weeks, maybe not, I don't think 4 weeks, maybe 3.5 weeks away from that opening. They've got to start doing some serious testing soon with people on the ride, right? You know, we're still hoping for some soft openings. I'm still hoping for maybe a media event, but I promise you, as soon as I can make something happen with it, I will. Even if it's me just waking up early the opening day, we're gonna get on that thing as soon as possible. So we are back behind the Mythos restaurant to try to get a peek into the Jurassic Park area. This is a very good spot. If you go behind the restaurant here, this spot usually provides a pretty good peek into the area of the new coaster. Let's just take a look right now. Spin this sucker around and see what's happening. Right back there. You know what, guys? I always try to keep my humor PG related. I know a lot of kids watch the channel, but can I push the envelope? Can I push it today and say we have wood over the Jurassic Park roller coaster? There's a lot of wood over there. Yes, the Jurassic Park roller coaster has given us wood today. I mean, that's like Marvel movie equivalent humor, right? I didn't go too far, did I? Let me know in the comments below if I went too far with that joke. You know, just so I can know, just so I know the boundaries. And another thing you may notice about the channel is I never show like alcoholic beverages on the channel. I try to keep it as PG as possible. Wow, look at this. Can you see the smoke coming out of the Hagrid's stable there? Yeah, look at all that smoke coming out. They're testing some stuff today. Like I said, just a few weeks away from this opening. So I went over here to take a closer look at the smoke, and they are running tests right now. I'm gonna hop on the Hogwarts Express queue and see if I can peek over and see anything. Let's go right now. I'm so excited. Well, this is cool and exciting. They're running the coaster right now. I have a few angles I can get just a peek of it. I think I might put it on loop just so you guys get a better look of it. But they are running it right now. No riders on it. It's running empty. I will say this, they have done a good job building this Forbidden Forest because there's only like 2 little angles I can get. A sneaky peek. That's it. And by the way, you see this area I'm circling now? I had thought previously, I mentioned in a previous video, I thought that was part of the queue or something for the new coaster. That has actually been there for a while. Some of you did let me know that is part of the projection show for the Hogwarts Castle. And I will also note, they do have the entrance sign back up at the entrance again, ready for the opening. And now, back to what we were talking about, the Jurassic Park roller coaster, which is nowhere near testing at this point. Like I said, it's just got some wood right now. Well, once we get over here to behind the 3 broomsticks, we can see the purpose of the wood. They're actually working on that bridge. We got one side over there on the Jurassic Park Island, and then the other side over here, closer to Mythos. So, you know, it's a pretty good bet all that wood is going to rebuild this little bridge here. Pretty interesting. I know like a section of the coaster is going to go over the water here. I wonder how it's going to go in relation to the bridge that they're building. Like, you know, are we going to be able to walk underneath the coaster as it's going? Probably not. I don't know. They're pretty safe. They might be worried about stuff. You know what? This one, the new coaster, will probably have metal detectors just like the Incredible Hulk roller coaster. Now let's head into the Jurassic Park area. See how it's changed with all the foliage, all the trees and stuff being removed. It looks really, really different. You know what, guys? My senses are all turned around. Has this vacation information hut always been here? Right at the entrance area, right across from the photo op. And there we can see Hogwarts Castle. I think this is new. But you know what? I'm so disoriented right now. Let me know in the comments below, but I'm pretty sure this is a new vacation information hut here in Jurassic Park. And look at this, from this angle, without all the trees and stuff, we can look over, we can see Skull Island, we can see Aventura Hotel, we can see Ripsaw Falls. This is crazy to me. Wow, this is just really, really different. With all the trees and foliage gone, just the look and feel is so different. You know what? I can't wait until the coaster is actually up and vertical. What that is going to do to the skyline here, it's going to be incredible. It's going to be way different. And you know what, guys? Here's just another panning shot of openness, open skies. Stuff we really don't see here in Jurassic Park. At least we haven't before. But now we do. I mean, we can see the hotel, Skull Island, the Hulk, Dr. Doom's Fearfall. None of this used to be visible from this standpoint here in Jurassic Park. Yeah, I'm here all the time and I'm just blown away at how different things look here with all the trees gone. I mean, I knew a roller coaster was coming in. I had no idea it was going to have this type of visual impact on Jurassic Park area. Oh, just incredible. You know what hasn't changed though is my favorite view in Jurassic Park, the River Adventure Splashdown. Check this out. Still one of the best views in the park. Tuesday afternoon, May 21st, the wait time for Kong is 40 minutes in the afternoon. Not sure what time it is. Actually, it's 4 o'clock, so let's do this. My After 4 Fast Pass, or Express Pass, is in effect right now. Let's ride this right now and see how long it takes. Let's see the savings. 40-minute standby, and let's see what the express wait is right now.
Joe, how's the look back there?
Hold on, I need more light.
Take cover!
Okay, just got off of Kong. Here's a couple things. It was only a 10-minute wait using the Express Pass versus 40-minute standby. And as I often mention to you guys, a seat towards the back of the bus better than a seat towards the front of the bus. And also, the best animatronic, I would say, in all of Central Florida is the Kong at the end. The best, bar none. Heading into Marvel Island now. I think we're almost done for today. I do want to see what the wait time is for the Incredible Hulk roller coaster. Just curious about that. And you know what? I think I'm going to have to take May off my list of good months to visit. It is so hot today. Half of me really wants to hop on Ripsaw Falls or Popeyes and Bluto's barges just to get refreshed. It is that hot today. Previously, I did have May as a good month to visit. I don't know. I might have to take that off. You know what? Before we get to the Hulk coaster, let's check on Dr. Doom's Fearfall. And it's just a 10-minute wait right now for Dr. Doom.
Listen up. Dr. Doom and Green Goblin are reportedly within Marvel Superhero Island. Civilians should exercise extreme caution. Do not attempt to apprehend. SHIELD is requesting any and all available superheroes report back the presence of any supervillain activity.
Wow, just a 15-minute wait for the Hulk. That is awesome. Woo! All right, guys, we have found the shade, which I need to tell you, in Florida, the shade is a valuable resource meant to be used often. I can't stress that enough. But anyway, I mean, a pretty good day, right? I came here to tell you about the Halloween Horror Nights house. I told you about that. We actually saw testing of Hagrid's Motorbike coaster. That was awesome. We saw a lot of wood at the Jurassic Park roller coaster, and we rode Kong. So a pretty good day all in all, right? And with that being said, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rick's Flicks, and now it's time to relax. But before we actually leave for today, let me do some viewer shout outs. Now these are the guys who visited our coffee page and bought us a cup of coffee recently. First up, I'd like to thank Kelly Tremmel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Next up we have Gary. Gary, enjoy your August visit. And lastly for today, Catalina B from Alaska. Thanks for supporting the channel.